Hey there, bright minds! Welcome back to the channel where we make healthy living fun and easy. Today we're diving into a super important topic: how to shed those extra pounds without feeling deprived. The answer? Low-calorie foods. I've got a list of 30 low-calorie foods that will satisfy your hunger without adding extra calories to your day. All the calories mentioned are per 100 grams. Starting off with number 30, chickpeas, 364 calories, higher in calories compared to the other foods on this list, but they're full of protein and fiber, making them a great choice for staying full. 29, quinoa, 368 calories, a superfood packed with protein and essential amino acids. 28, sweet potatoes, 86 calories, a great source of fiber and beta-carotene. They're sweet and satisfying, perfect for weight loss when eaten in moderation. 27, butternut squash, 45 calories. This delicious, versatile veggie is low in calories but rich in flavor. 26, green beans, 31 calories. A great low-calorie side dish full of fiber and vitamins. 25, Brussels sprouts, 43 calories. Roast them with a little olive oil and garlic for a nutrient-packed side dish. And high in fiber. 24, cabbage, 25 calories. A super low-calorie veggie that can be added to salads, stir-fries, or made into coleslaw. 23, cauliflower, 25 calories, the ultimate low-calorie substitute for higher-carb foods like rice or potatoes. You can roast it, mash it, or even make a cauliflower crust pizza. 22, eggplant, 25 calories, super low in calories but high in fiber. 21, mushrooms, 22 calories, another super versatile low-calorie food. Alright, now let's move into foods that are even lower in calories but still packed with flavor and nutrients. 20 carrots, 41 calories, sweet, crunchy, and full of beta-carotene, which is great for your skin and eyes. 19 zucchini, 17 calories, can be used in so many ways it's full of fiber. 18 spinach, 23 calories, a nutrient powerhouse full of vitamins and minerals. 17 tomatoes, 18 calories, hydrating and full of antioxidants like lycopene. 16 bell peppers, 20 calories. These colorful veggies are rich in vitamin C. They add a crunchy, sweet flavor to any meal. 15, asparagus, 20 calories, known for its detoxifying properties. 14, lettuce, 15 calories, a low-calorie base for your salads, wraps, or sandwiches. It's crisp, hydrating, and full of fiber. 13, radishes, 16 calories, add a spicy crunch to salads or can be eaten as a snack. They're full of antioxidants. 12, cucumber, 16 calories, mostly water, so they're hydrating. 11, watermelon, 30 calories, super hydrating and naturally sweet. Now we're down to the top 10. These foods are some of the lowest calorie options you can add to your diet, but they're still packed with nutrients. 10, strawberries, 32 calories. Sweet, juicy, and packed with antioxidants. 9, grapefruit, 42 calories, famous for its fat-burning properties. 8, raspberries, 52 calories. Raspberries are full of fiber, helping you stay full longer while also being delicious. 7, oranges, 47 calories. Hydrating, packed with vitamin C. 6, peaches, 39 calories, sweet and satisfying, perfect for curbing sugar cravings without all the extra calories. 5, cherries, 50 calories. Cherries are not only delicious but are also packed with nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. 4, blueberries, 57 calories, an antioxidant powerhouse, a great addition to smoothies or as a snack. 3, cantaloupe, 34 calories, sweet and juicy, also high in vitamins. 2, papaya, 43 calories, packed with nutrients and enzymes that aid digestion. Add it to your breakfast bowls. And at number 1, we have celery. Celery, 16 calories. Super low in calories and hydrating. Celery is great for snacking and can be paired with healthy dips like hummus or peanut butter. And there you have it, 30 low-calorie foods that can help you lose weight without sacrificing taste or nutrition. Whether you're looking for snacks, meals, or side dishes, these foods will keep you satisfied while helping you reach your health goals. Thanks for watching, bright minds. If you found this list helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe.